Hello everyone, how have you been? Today I would like to talk about my daily tasks. So let's start. First of all, thank you for giving me your valuable time. During my day, I wake up early in the morning because I have a work today. Then I am going to the tube well because I brush my teeth, wash my faces. After that, I go to the coffee shop because this place I saw meetings a lots of person as well as I am meeting with one person because he give me a job. That's why I am meeting for him. After that, I eat breakfast at around 9:30 p.m. Then I go to the work. After that, I finish my work. Then I return my home. Then I go to the fund because I took bath. After finish my bath, then I return my home and it's time to make a video for myself as much as I am trying to a little bit practice speaking English because I believe if I regular practice and trying to a little bit day by day, then I will able to do for one day. That's why I'm making this video and I'm supposed to making video. In fact, I try to fluent speaker. Inshallah, I will have been as if for my dream. This place weather is very nice. As much as I am hearing this bird singing in the over the tree. Additionally, I need to practice a lot day by day. As far as I am work very hard for myself because I need to success for my life. That's all about me. Thank you everyone for your patient habit.